Hey everyone, so we're just getting prepared right now. We've actually got a delivery later today. This is a bench, and then over there, I'll take you over in a second, there's a matching dining table. So what we're doing right now is we're laying out where the legs go, just lining them up in the holes, and then I'll take you over to the dining table here. So after we put the legs on and lay everything out, then we're just gonna put our inserts in. We're gonna attach these legs, then we're gonna drive down to the client's house. It's quite a drive, it's like about half an hour north into the city, but it should look really good with this matching dining table with the bench with it. Kind of cool that we wanted to show you guys. This piece here, now my hoodie's soaking. This piece here, you can see it's covered in snow, it's soaking wet. It's actually been in the back of my truck for about the past 8 months, and what we're trying to test is the bond between the resin and the wood. And you can see there's no separation at all yet. This thing's still nice and strong, so we're actually pretty impressed with this. For every delivery, we've got a few things that we just like to take with us. A few of them are for making sure things stay perfect and they can maintain it, and then some of it's just so it's easier to assemble. So, why do you bring that?
We got our handy, trusty drill, so that when we put our inserts in, we can do it a lot faster than with just like a hand tightening Allen wrench. We actually made a custom one that we ground down. So it's just a straight bit. We can put it in the chuck of the drill, and we can just use the drill and screw it. Super easy. Super
way faster.
Way faster.
Way faster. You'll have like one guy on one side doing it by hand, and then by the time he's got like the first screw in, the person on the other side with the drill is like
done everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we take, so we have one spray cleaner that we use for ourselves, that we use around the shop, and we take that just to clean in everything up before we go. And then we actually bring another one to leave with the client so that they can maintain their table as well. And then we take this.
Liquid wax cleaner. For all your savory, trusty needs that you need to do in your house. Okay, no, we bring we bring this. This is our final coat that we actually put on our tables, and actually it's our final coat that we put on everything.
Yeah.
And it just makes it everything like kind of shine and look really nice. So.
And then like even if we were to scratch accidentally,
yeah,
this can fix it.
This will soak into the scratch and actually even out where the scratch is. So
yeah, pretty cool. So this one's really important, because even like this one, actually it's good. It's been sitting around the shop for like a month curing. Like the finish is super cured on this one.
Yeah.
But if the finish isn't quite cured and you just put a coat on like the day before, you're probably gonna need to use this to clean it up before you leave. All right, we're off. Didn't actually hurt very bad. So this is for you.
Okay.
That is just basically for daily cleaning.
Okay.
We just got this piece in the house. We're super pleased with how this came out. Like we were just saying that these matching sets are probably our most favorite thing to do.
This is only about the second one that we've ever done with the matching bench and table, and like it's fantastic.
And look at like the color match is so perfect in this as well. Yeah, so this is made from Canadian black walnut. Both the bench and the table are Canadian black walnut. And then we did this kind of like a ice blue, metallic blue resin kind of.
Yeah.
And they were poured at different times, but we were able to match the two colors perfectly. Yeah, so it's got Osmo on the top, probably like 4 or 5 coats on here.
Yep.
I think we did 1 extra thin, 2 or 3 Pollux.
It was 3 Pollux.
3 Pollux.
And
then the liquid wax.
liquid wax.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is always one of the best parts of the process, to finally see them in their final home.
With the chairs around it. Like,
yeah, because we actually don't get to see them like this that often. It's only in pictures, but no, we're super pleased with this. Made it back to the shop. I'd say that delivered them pretty good.
It was pretty sweet.
Yeah, we were actually talking about in the truck on the way back how we never really got a chance to see those two pieces together.
Yeah.
Until we delivered it in their house.
Yeah, one was covered up the whole time while the other was getting created and finished, and then we finally took it out and saw them both side by side, and it was absolutely insane.
Yeah, it was just so crazy. So the clients are super pleased, we're super happy. Couldn't really have went smoother than that. Like that was basically a perfect delivery.
It's pretty sweet.
But we just want to show you guys, what it takes for us to actually, and how careful we have to be to load up a table, take it there, deliver it into their house, and just what it takes. I already said that once.
You did. You said it twice.
You finished the outro.
We did the delivery. It went pretty smooth. And we all had a good time doing it.
Yeah, we'll see you next week, guys.